The founder badge, huh? All right, let's see how this works. A little clip. So anyway, welcome to the stream. I know, founder badges, right? Founder badges are awesome. Why? What? Oh, I have like little buttons in chat now too that I can click on. Buy the founder stuff. That's trippy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little video. That was from the Ginger show that I went to last week, which is one reason why my voice is kind of like this. Oh, got a lot of stuff going on right now. So check this out. I'm processing video in a big old thing here. I'm fixing the stream from that I just streamed for DataStax because it broke halfway through, and I had to restart OBS because OBS just crashed straight up. Oh look, yeah, okay, so that fixed too. I've been having some weird problems with OBS where it just kind of like bombs out or doesn't show the video. It doesn't show the video at all. Super frustrating. But here nor there. I'm also going to open up IntelliJ today. We might actually look at some Terraform because I need to look at some Terraform. Oh my God, everything opened on the wrong screen. Here you go. Have some craziness of IDE. I don't need to manage Cloud SDA. I don't need that. What is even going on? Good God. Oh, there's my sample project I'm in. IntelliJ is over here. Oh, it's got the... Go. It doesn't matter. Go away. All right, let's see where this is. Where is this? So I think I had script files for this, right? Yep, apply. Destroy. And plan. Oh yeah, that's all it is. Oh yeah, that's cool. So let's Terraform, apply. Let's see where that gets us. You've heard of Terraform? It's this new tool. It's so cool. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. What what? Oh, maybe. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me. See, I'm gonna do this. This is a horrible thing to do. But yeah, let's delete this. And then let's go see if I can log into Azure again, or if it's gonna kick me out like DevOps did. Microsoft and their auth stuff is always like busted. Console.azure.com. I think is what it is. No? All right, how about console Azure? How about, oh, portal.azure.com. Always got Portland on my mind. I think I'm just start singing. Oh yeah, there's some stuff. Stuff is busted though. What? I don't even need this here. What is happening? Come on, let's go to all services. What? Where? What's everything changed? I don't know where anything is. What's going on? Do you use Azure? Mr. Tables. Serious. Oh yeah, pretzel. We need some tunes. Let's pretzel this sucker. All right. Yeah, that looks good. Clash of Iron. All right. So we're going. We got some tunes now. Do I do all resources? Is that? Oh, okay. That's new group. Oh, then does it show? Oh man. Wait, so I just want to see, damn it. So this is the old thing. If I go to all resources, is that really it? What was that thing I was just on that said I had stuff in here? What is this? On Facebook. Oh, go get the hell out of here. Leave extension. Facebook can go somewhere else. Alright, so I got rid of that, so let's see what it says if I say plan now. Oh man, I swear all the cloud providers at this point, they provide so many bloody services, they're all just a total freaking mess. As an old school cloud developer, they're all a frickin' mess now. That's my old man talk. You didn't specify out? Okay, that's right. Okay, so I want Nginx, that's fine. Right, so it should be the cluster, Kubernetes cluster, and then pods. Yeah, one pod for Nginx service. Then this thing, okay, and then a node. Oh, this color is messing me up. Tools, material theme, chooser. Let's do not that color. Let's do Monakai theme. Please be not. Okay, I want something that's not freaking bright. Petal Knight theme. Anyway, while that's working, let's get some Kubernetes running. Exactly. Okay, Boomer. I swear I've been saying that for a while, and I had no idea it was a thing. Freaking hilarious shit. I empathize, though. I like millennials. I'm like a weird Gen Xer that likes millennials. I think millennials are doing a way better job than the boomers did. The boomers hosed the whole damn planet. Not to mention all the other stuff they messed up. The Gen Xers we just were born to have stuff messed up, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, what am I doing? Terraform, apply. All right, give me Kubernetes. Okay, nothing's happening. Come on. Why so slow? Being very millennial right now. Why so slow? Hurry up. Get done. We're just going to go through the gamut of all of the generational things right now. You know, I'm going to use all the tropes and stereotypes. What's the greatest generation? I had to walk through snow and had to fight a war. Some of us had to fight 2 of them. The biggest world wars ever, because 2 of them. Yeah, don't mess with the greatest generation. Boomers. Anyway. Oh, God. Uphill, that's right. Fight 2 wars. Uphill, going to school. Derp. Get out of my way. I mean, Greatest Generation, they did have some crap to deal with, that's for sure. You heard that story too? That's like the best story. Loose leaf notebook bear fighting. Yeah. Spit it at them. Had to spit at their eyes to blind them, to hit them with our notebooks. Took 50,000 hit points. 50,000 hits. Notebook only does 0.5 damage. Oh man. Where is... What's actually going on? Who's here? I see me and Robert Tables are just emoting over notebook killing bears. Killing bears with notebooks. What's everybody else up to, huh? Yeah. God, like the best movie. I love that campy thing. So anyway, that's happening. Then this is out. This is happening. Oh, crap. Exit. And then what is this cloud code? Let's update this plugin. Yeah, for Google Cloud. I need to get my Google Cloud stuff happening too. Hey Peter. Peter. Yeah. Lurkers. I swear that was me like half this morning. Then I realized, oh yeah, I guess I could say hello to people, but I kind of just feel like chatting today too. But I got so much stuff to do. Oh, what just happened? Ah! Just opened in the other thing again. Okay, we got root. What's the status on this one? Decide what to do here. Log it? Oh yeah, I need to do that. Main. Yeah, railroads in there. I don't know, I didn't do much for this one already yet. US. Yeah, anyway, we'll get back in this one. I don't think I should mess with it right now. Hoping to learn some Golang? Oh crap. Well, give me just a minute. We'll be writing some Golang. I wanted to do this to make sure it still worked, because I need this soon. I need some Kubernetes. Some Kubernetes. Gonna give me some Cosmonauts. Gonna give me some cosmonauts. Launch into my Kubernetes here. Launch with my Kubernetes. I can't talk. Do you know the Kubernetes? There's Kubernetes stuff actually going to be up on the space station. Freaking out about that. Scared of that. And I don't think that spells good things for cosmonauts or astronauts or frogelanauts or whatever up there. That's just scary to me. Okay, anyway, it's going. So that's some stuff. We're going to add some stuff to that later. Is that what we're called? Ah! We're a Kubernetes. It's a Kubernetes. Okay. So maybe we'll start in this one. One thing I want to do is let's go figure out. I'm kind of scared to jump into this. Why is my stuff all over the place? All right, let me fix this real quick. I'm gonna get the other one. Yep. Okay. And then give me a Chrome browser. There we go. Let's do Golang error handling patterns. Let's see if we can get an idea. I don't like that. That's shit too, kind of. Logger example. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to do. What? Return meal error. Yeah, and it plus. How do you write a map function? Yeah, probably. But let's hear write error to log Golang. Yeah, I want to use the log. That's what I want to do. Yeah, I want to do log dot this thing. But I don't want it all, I don't want it to be a fatal error every damn time, right? Because that's, I mean, it's not a, in the universe block. The universe block. I feel like I should whistle to this song. Rock Togeddon by Big Giant Circles. Okay. Yep. Still not. How do you even... How do you get to the point where you would be handling a syntax error as error? Okay, that doesn't even make any sense. Oh, the little cucumbers. Func calculate, then handle the error. Right. Just result before checking for it. That's some excellent verbiage there. That beginners should know. Let's be a beginner. This is no. Yeah, exactly. I'm like, if I get a syntax error, wouldn't Go just not build? Like, how do you get to that error? I don't know. Like, no, that just doesn't, no. Well, I guess maybe, so Go builds Go. So maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's for the compiler, right? I mean, that would make sense. But like the Go, us plebes, right? I mean, we're not writing, like we shouldn't get past the compiler. Oh, there's no new customer. Well, this is kind of what I want to do, right? Return a. Let's try that. My next language list. Yeah? What are you going to do? What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? You going to do something about it? You going to learn it? Oh, shit. What do I got to do? I got to do something. Oh, I have to return. Oh, no, that's a custom error. I don't want to do a custom error either. I just want to... Maybe it is just log fatal. And then OE. All right, we're just gonna go with that then. Forget it. That's our helper to log most errors. If we need to do it in place, we'll do it that way. So okay. Okay, I set this up, and now what we need to do is railroading. You have it where it calls, and then it's just executable. Does that work? I think it works. I think I left it working. Oh yeah, that would be super cool too. There's GoBot, and there's oh, Vanessa, to remember this. Dad, burn it. We talked about it on the Emerald City Tech conversations that she and I had about the thing that builds small Go. And I've been curious to take a look at it. Because, for example, let's see here. This is the executable, right? The executable doesn't even do much yet. But let's look at it. Show in files. Here's the project, here's Railroad. It's 12 megabytes. Okay, so that's not too bad, 12 megabytes. But it's like, it says hello world basically. Okay, it has some configuration hooks. Now, on my previous stream that I just did for DataStax Devs just a minute ago, did some more builds, set up builds, etc. on Azure DevOps. and I have it where it'll build the .NET executable to one binary. And holy shit, it builds that one binary by default to like 70 megs. And we're talking, it's got a default hello world example in it. Okay, nothing fancy. And I'm kind of freaked out by that. Like 12 megabytes is too big, honestly. But 70 megabytes? What the shit? That's nuts. That's completely nuts. It's completely unacceptable. I don't even know, like, how do you... Well, no, it's just a CLI. So there's that. But seriously, you should be able to build a CLI app and print hello world and have it be like 50K. Shouldn't even be a megabyte. I don't know what the hell's going on there. I mean, you can do that with C, but I mean, you know, C's hardcore and stuff. So I don't know. There's got to be some way to trim that shit down substantially. And even at 12 megabytes with this, actually, let's just look it up. I know I'll figure it out as soon as I remember. Let's see here. Build smaller Go Lang binary. And totally spelled that wrong. Yes, thank you for that. Anyway, a bunch of people have been working on it, and yeah, they're complaining about it, and geez, it's not even that bad by. Yeah, there you go. Shrinking it up. First step. Panic, do not panic. Oh, see here, check it out. Like there, they shrinked it from 12 megabytes to 2.5 megabytes, right? So it's possible in Go. Yeah, exactly, Peter. I haven't been looking too much at it because like a 12 megabyte executable is still kind of fine for what I've been doing. It's not a big deal, but a 70 megabyte executable is freaking nuts, and that's what the .NET Core libraries build. So, and since I wrote the schema migrator in that, which is over here, Cassie schema migrator, I'm seriously thinking about, why does this still say failed? I fixed the damn thing. Oh, well, whatever. Fix it later. Yeah, so like I want to be able to do schema migrations against Apache Cassandra, and I've got it set up. I got all the functionality in the Cassie core lib, but then when I build just the console, it's huge. Like each binary is 70 megabytes. But so if anybody feels like messing with it though, messing with some C#, there you go, right there. This would be an awesome project to deal with. Let's hear issues. Let's do this. Let's do issue, feature request. Good lordy, please make the binary smaller. What crap, what did I just do? Oh, there we go. Currently, the binaries for each OS blowed up to about 70 megabytes. If you've got some build chops, it would be great to make them smaller. Smaller. There we go. 2. Milestone, no, projects. Do I have a project? Oh yeah, I do. Enhancement, good first issue. I mean, I guess if you know how to do builds and stuff. Oh, I don't need to assign myself yet. There you go. Yeah, it's good. Exactly. It's primary message. Ah! So anyway, there we go. Yep. Oh, check this out. Oh, they're getting hardcore. Oh, what are they talking about? Yeah, see? What, like, oh my god. And like these modern languages can't compile for shit. They can't build nothing. It's 1.3 megabytes. God, I'm gonna start writing C again. And here we are with this 12 megabyte thing. Brutal. Anyway, let's hear it. Okay. So I think I got... codes, follow example, just not. Oh yeah, let's do up the rest of this sucker. That's what we need to do. Yeah, I can't turn in my schoolwork. It doesn't fit on my thumb drive. Can't send it over the internet. The file size is pegged out at 50 megabytes on GitHub. Which also is an actual message. I just got that when I tried to, you know. Let's see here. Where is... Okay. Goes. What am I doing here? Get out of here. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to see what my commands were. So I got the helper in there. I've got my main, which, okay, yep, I'm executing that. And my data, my command is over here. Root. So got my config file set. YAML, which is right here. Nothing in it, of course. Let's call it a name. Railroad app helper, and then did I add? Oh god, did it not word wrap? I guess it didn't. No, wait, code, get out of here. Ah, code. There we go. No. Where is, oh, it's in here. Word wrap, right? Shit, why can't I never remember where this is? Window, active tool window, editor tabs, edit, view, come on. Edit. Are you kidding me? Come on. Where is word wrap? I have no freaking remember. I do not remember where it's at. I thought it was in... Anyway, we'll get it. Import data from import JSON file. Oh yeah. Okay, so we need to read, export JSON, and import JSON. This tool will be... Yeah, okay, so let's do... Okay. And then we got our helper. Let's start doing some... There's exporter. And importer. Okay, so we'll add some code there. Let's add some config management and just get the... Well, do I want to be able to... I mainly just want to be able to read from the config file. That's the main thing. And the config file is set up in root here. Railroad, yep, okay. There's no command at root. It's just, it'll show you the help. So like if I pull up a terminal and I say, type in railroad, yep, that's what I expected. And then H, yep, cool. So then let's add a file here that says Go file. Show. Empty file. There we go. Then, so what we'll need to do here is put in a package command, and then var show command equals set it point to Cobra dot command. Yeah. And no. Do like the next line. Yeah, there we go. And use show short is the show command followed by a what do you call it? A parameter. A by parameters will show various elements of configuration information. Actually, maybe I should do. Yeah, let's actually do not that way. Anyway, the run will be something. Yeah, we need a config. Let's add a config first. Screen. Oops. Go file. Config. There we go. Okay. So for config, did I spell it right? C-O-N. Yeah, F-I-G. Then what do I need? I need to, same thing. So add it to the config, or I mean to the commander. Cobra command yo Joe. And then let's do use. Well, it's not user. Use will be config. It'll be, what is it? It'll be railroad config. And then short description will be the railroad config command will show the available configuration in all configuration files. Back tip. The railroad. So we did this railroad config command will show the available configuration in all configuration files. And then I want to list them. So it'll be import, right? Import.json, export.json, and then US railroad.data YAML. Go here. And then then I need to do what? Let's see, I need an init. So let's do func init. Init. And we'll do root command dot add command. And this adds the actual config command then. Config command like that. And then we'll say config command dot. Now let's not do switches. It's just going to be the straight up command, period. This though, I need to have, it needs to actually run something, run func command, pass the command in to the pointer of cobra.command args, pass all the args as string array, as a string array. Why are things weird? It's not highlighting correctly. Oh, up here, something is broke. What? What? Oh. There we go. Okay, and then run. Let's just do this for now, get it working. Config is wired up, word up. And what do I gotta comment? Oh yeah, do, because it's part of the set of properties here getting passed into that command. Okay, and then go build. Oh wait, do I have the? Yeah, I have build set up. Cool. Build is set up, so it's -O lets you name the actual executable that it's going to build. Ah, no, no, no. Oh, did I screw this up? I guess I did screw it up. Oh, I need a comma. And then oh, I need 15. What's wrong with that? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's try it again. Oh no, it's still. Oh, show. Oh, this would be messed up still, I guess. Yeah, cause I don't. Let's do func. Yeah, give me the. Oh. Yeah, just fill out the whole thing. Func. Yeah. Sweet. I didn't know it would type it for you. Format print line. This is the show command. So let's see. Show command. Why is this? Oh, right, because I gotta do func init. Then show command dot add command to Cobra. No, wait, sorry. Show command. Wait a second. Is that right? No, it's. I need config command here. Yeah, dot add command, because this is a subcommand of config command. So here's add command. No, wait, I mean show command. And then where's my config? Did I do this one right? Config. No, I need this to be or no, wait, that's right. Root command adds config command. Yeah, and then config command here adds show command. Okay, got that right. That's right. I'm mostly sure that's right. Yeah. All right. No test files. Sorry. Oh, I should add that. Oh, I have to go test. Okay. I'm ahead of myself. So let's do railroad. Ah, there we go. So railroad shows up, then railroad config. Why does it say railroad is a railroad command? What the? This shit. Oh. Let's try that build again. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then yeah, railroad config. Sweet. And then config show. All right. So that's wired up. I should probably just say put it like this. Okay, so for config, we want to have it show us all the config that's there. Import, export. So so in Go, the thing would go lang JSON. Let's do this. So we got to marshal it using the marshaller. Oh, this is the crap doc, not the freaking example. Text marshal, what? Oh yeah, I don't want to. That's some outlier stuff. Yeah, there we go. So this shows what basically is happening. So here's the marshaller. You put it, you send in a byte array, so you just sing the string to byte, change it to byte type, whatever. And then you have a struct, and then that can be turned into and pulled apart from this, as you can see. So that's how you encode it, and here's how you decode it. So let's see here. The type, let's do a type. Should I do a separate folder for the import export types? Actually, yeah. Whoops. Get a Go file in there, and we'll call it exporter.go. And then let's get one in there for importer. So exporter. So this would look like type export data, or data exporter, railroad export. Let's call it railroad export. I guess that'll work. Struct for now. And then my screen fell off. Damn it! Oh, there we go. All right, and then the railroad export will have, let's see here, file. Yeah, we'll export it to JSON files, so we'll export it to. I think that'd be the safest thing, because I'm thinking of basically this will be like the data export of all the stuff in the database. And the importer will be stuff that imports things into the database. Depending on, the importer will be more complicated because it'll have to import some stuff from different sources. Like it might, we'll have a two-prong attack. It'll be either import stuff from, actually let's do that struct first. That makes more sense because export will be kind of easy. This one, so let's hear type railroad web data import, and then there will be type railroad data import, exported data import, exported, there we go, struct. That'll be like that. So this will be, let's call this, I'm trying to think, what should we call this? It'd be basically like, let's go with name, that'll be string, and then we'll have file, location, string, notes, string, let's do date, maybe, I think, date. Actually, what would I want to, how would I, I think maybe time. No, date, time. Oh, let's call it stamp. Or no, we'll do created. No, just put string for the moment. Created, then updated. Yeah, string. Let's see. What is Golang date time? Let's do that for a second. Time. Right, time.now, time. So just can I declare it as Golang time data type? Oh, time.time. Okay. That's what I need to do then. Time.time. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Time.time. And then it imported time. Wait, is that really date time? Oh, that's neat. It tells me I'm in Old Ballard, Seattle. Thank you. And it's November 6th. That's Google. You outdo yourself sometimes. So maybe I need to do date, not time, but like date. Duration, location, month, time, month. Oh, so there's time. Come on, stamp that. Oh, fun. Okay, so this is the full time dot date. I feel like I should do that. Time dot date. What? What's it bitching about? Oh. Okay, that works. Just go with time. Okay. And then this would be good. Almost. Let's do this. URI. Location. Or actually, we'll call source URI. Do that as a string too. I think that'll be good for now. So let's see here. Where was... Let's see if I can do this. Oh, that's STP crap. Let's download all. So I'm gonna open that. What is this? What format is this? CSV crap. What is that? Oh. So there's oh. Oh, this is so freaking aggravating. Oh, here's a CSV. What does that have in it? Let's open that up and see. Oh, neat. Dashboard data query. Open that already. So this just has that. So that's probably CSV format. Ah, this is the this is the metadata. And then, all right, FAF4. Freight analysis framework. Partnership, DTS, and Federal Highway Administration. So there's a whole shit, 1 gig text file. I love it. Okay, so reprocess network data assignment flow. That's written in transcat documentation. What is this? What are we looking at? So, okay. So where'd my download go? Downloads. Let's look at this. My FAF4 download. There it is. Extract that. There it is. I guess, can that open that? Alright, if my computer crashes from opening a frickin' gigabyte CSV file, y'all know what happened. Ah, there we go. Yeah, standard, tons, standard. Oh, it's got a bunch of stuff. This looks juicy. Some juicy data. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, Freight analysis framework 4. Data tabulation tools. Oh, interesting. Can I just get all the data? Okay. Anyway, this is something we need to stick this in our notes. So let's see here. Boom. Oh, there's something else. Don't save. Notes for today's coding rally. Data sources. Oops, on desktop. Data sources notes for intermodal freight. There we go. Okay, so that's that, and then let's see here. This one is here. Copy link address. Oops. What does access mean? Copy link to that. I'm gonna get that one too. And then highlight forecast, copy link address. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So this is yes. This is a horrible song. What is going on? I didn't want techno pop. Give me some rock. I don't really want that one either. Psychophysical. Huh. Maybe. X004746, 183.456, and then what is this? This is This is 4.5 and this is 4.5 too. State database of tonnage, and this is the regional database of tonnage. Okay, so copy link address. This is reprocessed. 97, 2002, 2007. Okay, short series database tonnage. Weights are in tons, thousands of tons, activities in millions of ton miles, and values are available with 12 const dollars and millions current const dollars. Data for earlier years is only available at the state level, and all fields are defined by FAT4 standards, formats, and okay. So let's see. All right. So we need to write up this stuff and actually collect it. All right, and we need all these notes. We need the notes. So let's get back over here into the code. Have this notes. Let's add a documentation string. Right? Yeah. Okay. And then notes here. Right, then exporter is basically this. Created at that time. Well, let's put, yeah, so we won't update the created, but we will update the updated. Like if created already exists. You know, I don't know. We'll have to see how to write that stuff out. Huh. Yeah. Anyway, okay. Okay, root, config. For in here, let's see. So we got. Oh, my spreadsheet is still open in one thing. Yeah, beautiful. Tons of data. Tons and tons of data. 2020, 2025, 2017, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. This is all the data based on, I don't know what. Well, anyway, it'll be something fun. It'll be an example of what we're pulling in and out. Okay, so first things first. Let's get here in the exporter, importer, exporter, importer. So we'll do file, new, go file, and let's call, let's just do reader. And that's basically going to do, let's see, so you want to do func read file string file name, right? Did I do it backwards? File name string, right? Yep. Okay, there we go. So then we want to do data here is equal to IOU util dot read file. Oh, did that turned up? Freaking music turned down. Then this will be file name, and then format print line. Well, actually, I don't want to write this all over the place. We'll refactor it as we go. So yeah, let's get that in there. Actually, I'm not even gonna do this. I need to start writing the code and then refactor it as I go. So we'll put that in here. Whoops. And then yeah, get that in there. All right. File name. What is file name? We're gonna do var file name equals. Actually, let's do file name is equal to. This is stuff that it's gonna be passed in, but we're gonna know it, right? So it's gonna be importer slash importer dot. Oops. No, import dot JSON. That's what it's gonna be. Okay. So we'll say I read file name. So then, so actually, does this bring back a byte array? Yeah, byte and error. Okay. So then I can do the unmarshalling of it. So let's see here. Unmarshal. Yep, there we go. JSON unmarshal data to import locations. Oh, and I should do, yeah, because it's railroad web data. Well, web data. So it's either this or this. It's one or the other. So I need to do two types of importer. Importer. The one from the database should be able to be generated. So yeah, we'll just go with the importer. This is going to be the one from the web stuff. That's what we're going to do first. Then we'll fiddle with figuring that out. So all right, import web, import this data. Why do you hate me? Oh, what do I need to pass in? I need to pass in. That's not useful. What are you telling me here? JSON. Oh, I did that already. Oh, there's date and then. Oh yeah. So data and then. I just looked in here for this reason. Railroad web data import. Close that. And then here. Can I just put that in? Right, so I'm marshalling this. Oh, I need to do railroad web data. Railroad web data. Yes. Right. Yep. And then point it at this thing. Right? Yes. Okay. That's what I need to be doing. So then that's going to unmarshal that, which means the web import will be the thing. Right? Do I have an error? So it says here, give me this again. Dot unmarshal. And it what? Oh, it unmarshals it. Yeah, so this is this is the thing that gets the data. Let's put this as error. Actually, let's do this as this. So helper dot handle error. There we go. Get out of here. Okay, and this. We're not doing anything with this. We're gonna assume that that works. And then let's just do let's just do this. So that's the import of that. Railroad web data importer. There's these things. Let's handcraft some JSON, right? You think this will work? Name, whatever. Then source URI. Then documentation. And notes. Then notes created. Then updated. Oh, what is it? It's here. Golang time.time. Isn't there a thing that says, yeah, you need this. Stamp. That would be perfect. We can find layouts for you. Oh, actually, let's do this one. That looks good. Anyway, let's start with that one. Created. So what is today? Actually, today is Wednesday the 6th. So Wednesday, November 6th, and it is sometime PDT. So 17:03:30. It's not 2016. It's 2019. Amazingly. And we'll put that there. That'll be our creation time. This will be. Let's pick one of these things that I just got. So we'll go with the first one here. Whoops. We'll go with the first one here. This. Oh yeah, we need a type. We need a type. Type. So that we know what to do with it. Call this zip. Oh, no, here we go. The AF 4.5 something, whatever. Documentation goes here. Some notes here. We'll add stuff there in due time. So type is going to dictate what the heck we can do, or the types of things we can handle. So right now, let's hear notes, type, say string, make decisions based off of that. Exported data import is going to be known because it's going to come out of the backup, which will be from our text files. Like, we're going to write all the stuff in text files and then store it, zip it up, store it. And that's going to be our backup process. All right. Am I doing this? Oh, I'm in this. Well, yeah, I guess that's the good place to put it. So let's build this and see if that works. That probably is not going to work because I just did all that stuff off the top of my head. I just config. Holy crap. What? It got way further than I thought it was going to get. So what's the problem here? Well, let's do PDT. Can I do that? Oh, should it be this? Nah, that can't be. Let's see here. Golang JSON time. Yes. Now let's go ahead and let's fix this up too. And make sure that that is correct. Source URI, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we'll go back over to our type. This is the way you need to designate this stuff. So like here, this would be updated. Oops. Updated. And this would be created. Source URI. And I think the formatter will actually straighten this stuff out and align it like in a lot of examples and stuff, but we'll documentation. This is notes. Type. All right. Actually, yeah, let's do this. Let's do go format. And I always type this twice because whatever. Oh, I guess I didn't do it. Well, figure it out later. So it's cool. It seemed to have gotten all this stuff right. Cannot parse this blank as. What? Maybe I should just do that? What the hell? Is that what it made a test and native request body like below? Just copy paste from it. Because first it didn't even think matter. But then, oh, then he ends up with this. Maybe we should have wrote this stuff out first. Yeah, let's actually just, okay. We're gonna sidestep here, show, and then let's get another one in here. This file new, whoops, nope. File new, go file. We'll call this, it's your show, right? Yeah, so show is, oh, what? Oh, yeah, show, right? Basically like this. So we'll do, alright, so var write command equals Cobra dot command, and we're gonna, whoa, crap. Holy shit, I didn't know it would put all this stuff in there. That's kind of rad. I don't want that much though. Okay, right. Then short, the right, whoops, right command will write a key value pair to the specified configuration source. Right, and then long is the write command will write a key value pair to the specified configuration source. The sources are, I should do this. So do a little back tick. The sources are as follows. Say import. We'll write. Oh, let's do this. Web source. Oops. We'll write a record. Oh, it's not really it. Write a record to the specified configuration source. We'll write a record to the specified configuration source of JSON. Oh, I need to do different commands for each of this. Right, one for each thing. So there's three things technically. There's me. Yeah, let's do different ones. Let's do right. Oh. No, right config, and then. Okay, I'll write the configuration in a second, but let's do this. Let's do run. Func, there we go. And so let's do key, or no. See, I need to enter each of the things then. There's got to be a better way to do this than just typing it out. It's going to be like a yeah, there's not going to be a right now. Oh, actually I could do this. I could say write, we're going to write samples. Okay, yeah, and this is going to be, this will make sure we get our formats right. So, all right, first things first, we need to do encoding. So let's see here. Our type is data sampler. Is this fussing about something? Oh yeah, I need to put init in there. Func init. Whatever. And so this is right. So config.add command.add command. What are we doing? Write command, right? Samples command. Edit, rename, refactor, rename. There we go. Okay, that part's right. Artist. Then what happened? Yeah, that's what I need. It's right here. Oh, I see. So what's your okay, yeah. And then railroad sampler dot name sampler railroad web data railroad sampler dot documentation railroad dot notes source URI dot type railroad dot created time dot now updated. Some notes, some documentation for things. And this is oh, we should do this. Let's see here. Da, da, da. Oh, what is our do that? Okay, US. There we go. Oh, yeah. I gotta add that to the thing right now. Can't be having that. You can ignore. Okay, so let's see here. .ida. Probably gonna dork up the browser for a second. Git add first commit and clean up removal of .ida. Anyway, so out here. call this zip file. So then, let's see. So if we JSON.marshal the thing, or do I need to do a marshaled? Wait, rail JSON, whatever. Is that what it is? Yeah, returns by an error. And okay. Unresolved reference. Her? Well, let's do this. We'll just print it out at first. Format, print line, rail, JSON. What are you fussing about? Do I need to? Oh, that's right. Let's just do this. Yeah. Oh, whoops. Road. Big right. Oh, that's not what I want. Right. Oh, I did actually say right thing, right, didn't I? Right, samples. Okay. So byte string, do I do rail JSON string? Can I do that? Don't know. Or do I need to unmarshal it? Oh, let's do this. I'm gonna add that print line. Rail JSON. I guess I need to do that then. So let's see, rail JSON, then unmarshaled railroad stuff. Dot unmarshal rail JSON. Oops. Like this? No. Oh, I needed to. so this is the format then. PST. I don't know what that crap is. This is what it's stored as though. Zip, some notes. Okay. Okay, now I'm actually going to delete this whole damn thing. So we know how to do JSON, move JSON back and forth. So that's all fun and dandy. It's here 5:27. It's kind of dinner time. I feel like I should keep working on some of this stuff. So show, config. Oh yeah, let's see if we got that working. So, shit. What the hell? Where is... Let's see here. Right, time.time, URL, so should change that to that too. Let's actually do that right now. Oh, so commercially. Golang time dot format. pissing me off pretty bad. Well, let's just try that. Ah, okay, that did it. So it must be the default crap. So let's see, what's today? 19. It's 11/6. Was it year, month, day? That's what I'm assuming. It'd be kind of stupid if it wasn't. 17, 33, 33, some time. Oh, if you're still there, Jesse Skinner, I've been using Go for, I don't know, on and off for some years. Yeah, I don't know. I use it for a bunch of different stuff. Sometimes I do system stuff, largely just write CLIs with it. Use it to process stuff, use it to hand off executables, that kind of stuff. Sorry I missed your message. And by the way, everybody, go follow Jesse. Jesse's got a lot of cool stuffs. Been working with Spotify, Svelte, and other things. Good stuff. Good educational stuff. So yeah, anyway, the question from like 30 minutes ago was, how long have I been using Go? Kind of a long time. But it's not been like, I've been using C# for frickin' decades now. And I've got a lot of deployed apps with C# that are just monstrous things. Big, huge things. Making companies way more money than I'll probably ever see in my whole life. Which in a sense kind of pisses me off. Like, no love. No love in this industry. But Go, I don't think... It's a lot of it's like services, utilities, or not services, but I mean, it's some services, some API services, some CLIs, some other stuff. There's still a lot of Go that I'd really like to dig into more, such as writing some crazy stuff around concurrency and things like that. But right now, just parsing some files, getting the formats down here to do some imports, which then will also include some concurrent transactional type of stuff, some threading, or Go routines. It'll be Go routines, things like that. So that should be cool. And I try to keep it as simple as I can, because really, it ought to be. Let's see here. All right, so I got that. That unfundles that thing now. So if I click this, oh, it starts downloading the 150 megabyte file. That's cool. All right, so importer, got all that stuff in there. Let's fix the file location to, oh, is there like a file dot? Yeah, file path dot. Well, actually, I need to put it in the string, because it might be, I don't know what. It could be whatever anybody's got it on their system as. Okay, and then exporter. Let's look at that exporter. Yep, that looks good. Okay. All right, what are we doing next? What are we doing next? Got that stuff in there. I guess we should get some more of these sources in there. Import JSON. So I can do this. Oh yeah, importer. How do you? Oh yeah, you do this, and then this. Is that how you do arrays? I think, yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, because I need to... Yes, that makes sense. Show. Config. Let's do this, yeah. Then we'll do this as this. Oh, we can't do that? All right, well, forget it. We're going to change it back to... Yeah, cool. Okay. Importer, import JSON. Let's go back over here and actually get the docs off of this thing. FAT4 version provides estimates for tonnage, values 10 miles by region, Okay. Put that in here as notes. Notes, same thing there. And then let's say here, regional database of tonnage value, CSV and MS access formats. Oh, I don't really want the access formats then. Put that there. Put this one here. And we're going to actually do, let's see, we got the CSV. Yep. And then let's actually put this in here about the file, and then put this in here. That documentation is going to be the same, and notes. zip of what? Which one? Oh, that's access. Yeah, it says access. This is high-low forecast, so we want this one. Oh, well, actually, we'll put this in the name, actually. That. This one. Storage for the CSV. Let's put the regional database in here. And this is going to be, that's going to be documentation. So that gives us 3 files to work with. This file and others are available at so there, add notes. Oops. Oops. There we go. And let's run that, huh? Cool. So that's the importer show. And also I got the, let's see, where's my, oh, there's my YAML file. And then let's see, format.println. I'm just gonna say Viper config is equal Viper dot get whatever that was. Yep, it's a string, so let's do that. Yeah, all right. Let's say Viper config. Oops. So that should be each of the files. And oh, weird. Okay, so then it dumps the JSON out. Put the JSON in. Oh yeah, and that's all the values. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. How should I do this then? It's almost 6. Call it a day. All 2 of us. So y'all have a good one. And I wonder if it's. Let's see if the outro is the new music. I tried to fix it today. I don't remember if I actually fixed it though. So anyway, catch y'all next time.